Like to act like a teenager forever. I'm developing.
Kaya, what you think about Zay Past?
Wait, what was past?
He was a.
Really?
He was a.
Dang.
You down, Nardo?
I wouldn't put it like that.
I think in his past, he was a.
Hey, let's take a shot.
And
I'm trying to take a shot. Where did they crack?
In front of you?
Alright, let's take a shot, y'all.
Get back.
why you interrupted me?
Huh? Alright, go ahead.
I think in his past, he was a. I think in his past,
Ain't this got heated?
Yeah. True. I did all
I think in his past, they said Cap. He wasn't a clip farmer. That was Prime Zay. That's y'all Prime Zay.
Cooking with Kaya just got exposed. Let's get into it, y'all. So if you don't know, right now Cooking with Kaya is at Streaming University with a whole bunch of other content creators.
Sorry.
I made that shit. That one. Let me know something.
You like it?
I made it. I love it.
You got a little teriyaki or something?
Man, don't. You ain't finna steal. She ain't finna steal my shit out here. Everybody talking about some good and wang. You just stole it from that order.
DJ.
Believe it or not, y'all, I was a foster parent. I was a foster mom.
Huh?
Like, I've always wanted to do that. I was a foster mom. My baby name was Akira. I had her from the time she was 7 months till she was a year old.
So what happened?
Nobody knows that about me. Y'all want to see her? No, I didn't adopt her. I was her foster mom until I was fostering her until she can go with her family. But I mean, I really enjoyed my time with her. Like, I loved her. But y'all, it made me respect mothers so much more. Like,
This is
I was
so
a cool
random.
mom.
She was a foster mom? Shit, yeah. I thought that's what you had me. Oh my god. I don't know why the f I just clicked that. Shit, yeah.
Cry again.
No.
Look at me.
She knew that. What I said that, bro, chat. Oh my god. She did that shit on purpose. She did that shit on purpose.
No.
Look at me.
Like, why are you got so many things to wipe your face with?
That's crazy.
You got so many things to wipe your goddamn face with. Why are you wiping your face with the bottom of your shirt knowing you ain't got no bra on? That's insane.
I can see it. Like, when I would cry again.
No.
I can start beating shit. Oh my god. They start beating this shit.
She just looks like free game. Like free game. Just looks like free game. No cap. And like the clips I was seeing, bro, and the shit that they saying, like, bro, all I said, bro, like, if a nigga really trying to get on that, bro, shut that shit down, bro. I feel like she liked that shit. She wasn't even trying to be around the females.
Appreciate you, gang.
Ass all up, but that pool day was, yo, I tell you that pool day hitting. I'm like, gosh, damn. I'm like, bro, it just looked like she feeling be close to niggas, man. And then the whole time, gang, I'm trying to tell you, bro, a nigga barely getting, I bet, a nigga barely getting any type of response. Bro, I ain't lie, bro. She just looked like.
We saw. Yeah, I know you had to be heated. See her like these, nigga? Like what? Like, bro, that shit would have pissed me off.
Who was that? Oh, hey.
How y'all get out?
Did you teach me how to cook?
Oh, I forgot you next to you.
No, I'm a professor. I'm talking about like, I really need to know how to cook. Okay. Alright, babe. Why we whispering?
How y'all get out? Because when I just, you said you whispered. You told me shush.
Oh.
Damn. Nah, nigga. You was on some bull. Damn, chat. Getting sniped. It hurts more doing this shit manually. Getting sniped manually?
Aura.
You know, like, somebody else might be like, just like a confirmation of like when you send it to the person.
That on autopilot.
Now you can do whatever. It's already fucked up.
Bro, I gotta stop trolling y'all, bro. Alright, bro, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. She's gone, huh?
They doing move.